Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How you doing? So I got my little top done, and I will say messed it up. One of the sections, I don't know which one it is. I've turned it around so many times now. I'd have to actually hang it up and look at it. But one of the quarters I've got in upside or turned, I think, 25 degrees. Or 25, it's a quarter way turned. Anyway, so because of that and everything else, I just did a simple, like, 2.5 inch strip here and put some of, you know, the metallic fabric in the corners. But that's it. I am going to get some batting out and determine what I'm going to use for the backing. And I'm going to quilt this. I was thinking about using this, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do it or not for the backing. I know I won't do it for the binding. I wish I had a red and white stripe somewhere, or a gold and red would look good. Gold and red stripe. I don't know if I have. I don't have one of those. Anyway, so I don't know what I'm going to use. I might use just white for the binding. I have no idea. But um, what what do you think? Should I go ahead and use this for the backing? Because I mean, honestly, this was a fabric that I bought during the shutdown a few years ago when I was making masks and the fabric stores were closed and stuff. And I got this online, and I knew it was a metallic, but I didn't know exactly how metallic it was. So I was not about to make a mask that somebody could not breathe through. So I didn't do it. And I should have definitely at least a yard here. Well, it would take a little over a yard to make it like 40 inches, 42 inches, I think. Yeah, 42. So I might just go ahead and use this for the backing. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But yeah, when I had restitched these blocks the first time I laid it out, there was just something that could not be unseen. And my husband's like, I cannot believe you did that. And I'm like, uh, you know. So I thought I was going to have to actually throw this thing away because I didn't see a way that I could, put it out there without it. But I actually did it. So I don't know. It wasn't my it wasn't my vision that I thought it was going to be, and my vision definitely didn't have any of that. But it's still pretty. I like it. I mean, it's just and I'm getting to play with the Ike quilt again, so that's always fun. Just to keep the needles moving and my mind engaged, even though sometimes that don't even work. But anyway, this is the way it looks right there. Oh, and there's some fabric over there. But that's it. Let me know what you think. Bye.